Get to know me. I'm Dr. Peter Lee from NSSE and I teach chemistry. Chemistry is a fascinating subject and can be applied to many things around us in our daily lives. It can be used to explain many phenomena that we see around us and offers practical solutions to real-world challenges. Okay, when I teach, I try to use applied learning as much as possible, focusing on hands-on experiments and trying to relate chemistry to our daily lives. When cooking sugar or grilling meat, chemistry is at work, producing new flavors through complex reactions. Other examples would be like your diagnostic kits, for example, your COVID and your pregnancy test kits, both rely on chemistry reactions. Trying to grow human leukemic cells on mice. Alright, I do this because I need these mice for testing of anti-cancer properties of new compounds that I make in the lab. Definitely a happy hormone molecule, like dopamine. I mean, I would like to spread more positivity and joy, making the world a happier place. A wonder drug that can basically do two things. One is to be able to cure all human diseases. Secondly, to help us stay young and for as long as possible. If given the chance, I would like to spend a few weeks in Antarctica to do some research. And Antarctica has very harsh conditions, so it has evolved its very own unique ecosystem. So that interests many scientists to want to go there and do research. I have a phobia for public speaking and I don't like to be filmed and photographed, so I'm actually speaking out now.
If you pour salt on the icy sidewalk, it lowers the freezing point of water and helps melt the ice.
And help melt the ice. True. Salt will lower the freezing point of water. The ice or snow will only form at a lower temperature now.
Next one is, if you mix baking soda and vinegar in a closed container, it will create a permanent energy source because of the continuous gas production.
True.
Okay, I think, a bit trick question. While mixing the baking soda and vinegar, it creates carbon dioxide. Right?
Yes.
Then got the front reaction, right? But it's not continuous.
Oh, continuous. Okay, so that's the trick word.
Okay, if you mix oil and water and shake them up, they will mix eventually and form a single solution?
No, they will not form a single solution. They will form what we call an emulsion.
All transition metals are toxic to humans at any concentration.
Wait. We also need metals in our body, but some of them we need at a slightly higher concentration, some of it we need them at lower concentration, but we need metals to survive. Well, students usually find chemistry boring and difficult to learn as a subject. So as a teacher, I think most importantly, you have to always constantly try to think about how to make your lessons more interesting and more relatable to your students' daily life. That will make it more interesting for them.